Thank you.
Me, I have a lot of like these boxes.
You look like such a teeny little patootie little girl.
That would.
Hot wings. So beautiful. Yeah. Share all
Everything
of it.
but the burger.
Yeah. Oh, that's me. Thank you so much. And then just the baked mac and cheese, please.
Yeah.
I'll put sugar in it. Thank you so much.
Lemon has a little dress on it,
Aww.
so you can squeeze the lemon without it.
Cucumber. Hi guys, so today is Saturday. So behind me I have a lot of like these boxes. My lease is ending this month and it's really crazy to say that I will be moving out of New York and I'm gonna go back to Texas. I've decided to move to be closer to my boyfriend. We've been in a long distance relationship for almost a year now. I've been living with my roommates and in this apartment since I graduated from AMDA. After I got my certification in sake advising, I've been doing a different career path than what I originally came here for. And I enjoy it and I'm grateful for the job that I had. This is clearly another milestone in my life where I've met somebody that I believe is worth doing all these risks for. I'm really excited. Okay, I was gonna yap and then put my makeup on. Good morning, guys. Today is Monday. It is currently 12:30. I plan on going to FedEx today to drop off 2 boxes that I have. It's really rainy today, so it's gonna be a little difficult, I think, but we'll see. I've been listening to not old, I guess it's old. It's like a decade. It's like 2 decades old. I used to be big into the divorced dad genre. I really loved Creed, and I really loved Audioslave. I love Stained. I don't know if you guys listen to that. Even Nickelback, even before it was like a meme. Anyways, it's a combination of me and my boyfriend's music taste because we grew up playing Guitar Hero, and that's kind of the genre that it was. So listening to it now feels very nostalgic, and yeah, it makes me miss him too. I don't even know if I've been in focus this whole time. Okay. So I tried this like pink powder from Wet n Wild, the setting one. And it makes me really sad because I love this color, but oh my god, it makes me look so warm. Like, it makes me look so red. So I'm just gonna use my regular powder, and I need more of it because I thought I was gonna use this more, but clearly not. Alright, so now I'm gonna try to pack the, so I'm gonna try to pack the rest of this box here and tape it all up. So I basically, stop, what are you doing? I'm basically gonna put all the stuff that I have out here just in this box, so. Yeah, I'm gonna put these in the box. With this bag, it's pretty much all of my nails. I'm not doing this pretty either, like, that's pretty much going to be it for this box, maybe. It's already feeling a little heavy, so here's what it's looking like. I think it fits the top perfectly, so. Ooh, I ate that. I really did this myself. Alrighty. Thank you.
Yeah, I
With the truck.
Like because all the things come on, or I think that I trust you. Alright. Yeah.
don't know what my sister says on my grandma, but I should.
What's your passing second?
Cup.
Ah, yes.
So this is like this is a 2 cup.
Peggy.
I suck at cracking eggs.
Yeah.
Show it off.
Just wait.
This is gonna be a long cake. Wow. Look at this.
Yeah.
Hopefully this is good. Now you put it in. Rack. Ooh. It's sizzling. Okay.
Counts orange on camera.
It's really good. Pink can be it. Okay.
It's the biggest possible spatula for the tiniest little pieces of
I
cake.
wish I had a smaller one.
Yeah.
And grab it.
It's like cornbread.
There's Cheers.
Here,
Yeah, 3 p.m. cake.
That's delicious.
That is, dare I say, a tad dry.
A little frosting.